Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about Amerant Bank. So this is a $100 in super easy bank bonuses. I'm not 100% sure whether this is a nationwide offer or not. I live in Texas. I got approved, and there is no direct deposit required. So I've seen multiple data points, whether it's nationwide or not. They do have branches in both Texas and Florida, so this could possibly be limited just to Texas and Florida, or it is nationwide. Not 100% sure, so I'm just throwing that out at the beginning of this video. All right, also, a quick disclaimer, I am a customer of Amerant. I am not affiliated, and I'm not endorsed by them. This is my personal review for informational purposes only. All the information is current as of the time of the recording of this video, and the screenshots are from the Amerant website. So, quick question. When was the last time your bank paid you to open up an account with them? This is the whole point of this YouTube channel, is people get paid to solve problems. Banks need customers. They're willing to pay nicely for them. How nicely? Well, I have a goal on this channel, which is a $2 million challenge for the year 2022. What does that mean? I want to help at least 1,000 people make at least $2,000 from my videos in 2022. By myself, signing up for different credit cards, checking accounts, savings account, brokerage accounts. I make over $10,000 per year signing up for that. So $2,000 is really not that difficult. If you put a little bit of time and effort into it, and I am putting out videos on a consistent basis. If you are a fan of profitable content like this on a consistent basis, do me a favor and smash me a thumbs up. Really do appreciate it. And now, as my buddy RJ would say, let's get to work. All right, so as I mentioned before, I'm not sure if this is nationwide or if it's just Texas and Florida. Second thing is there's no expiration date that I did see. This is a referral-only offer. So it says refer your friends to Amerant Bank. It is a referral live link, so it's a bit.ly, super easy and short to type into a new tab on your computer. As soon as you click that, I also have a link in the description box down below. It's going to hit you with this. It says earn up to $250 with Amerant Bank. Yeah, it says 250, but I only said 100 because 150 of that is for a home equity line of credit, and that's not necessarily what you call a easy thing to want to just jump into. So when you hit the link, it's going to ask you to register your information, first name, last name. Make sure to put your same information that you're going to put in to apply for the account, especially the email address. So first thing it says to do is register, complete your information on the registration form above, click go. Number 2, qualify, complete one or more of the referral offers listed below, which I'll show you in a minute, and get rewarded. Once all qualifications for an offer have been completed, you and the person who referred you will each receive a Visa reward card, which is really sweet. This is a really cool thing about this hobby is one hand washes the other. I tell you about different offers that you're able to get, and hey, we both benefit. As I said, one hand washes the other. So here are the offers. So 50 for you, 50 for them for opening up a checking account. Literally, all you got to do is you got to keep the account open, checking account, the value checking, interest checking, rewards, interest checking. Within 60 days, you got to do 4 debit card transactions. There is no minimum for there. You're going to spend money anyway, so you do 4 debit card transactions. You're going to catch a $50 Visa gift card. 50 you, 50 for them. Open up a money market account. Keep the account open for 60 days. Bam, another $50. So literally just open up the account and get paid $50. The third one is $150 for a home equity line of credit. I've never had one of those. To me, I'd much rather jump into the first 2 offers because get a checking account, hold it 60 days, do 4 debit card transactions, open up a money market account, which is basically a savings account. Boom, you got another $50. That's $100 for not doing much at all. So as I said, 4 debit card transactions, keep the money market account 60 days. That is easy peasy. All right, Amerant. So once you click go, you want to get started. So you want to click I am a new Amerant customer. So you got eligibility, funding, verification, and then decision. I am a new Amerant customer. You got to have these things handy: name, email address. You got to know your name. I don't know if that's asking too much. Email address, phone number, basic stuff. Debit, credit card. You can do, I think it's up to $500 in credit card funding. I made a mistake when I did mine. So they're going to ask you first name, middle name, last name, address, date of birth, country of citizenship, social security number. You want your email address to be same as what you registered before. Mobile phone number, information about your employment. Co-applicant, click what is applicable to you. Click next. Review your application. You get the little circle of death, as I call it. And then basically, great news. We reviewed your information. It looks like you're eligible for the following selected products. Value checking. And then money market. I did not do the money market because I signed up without a referral. I just signed up just to sign up and see if I would get approved. Last year, I signed up for this one and I did not get approved. So, and you know how many bank accounts I sign up for? They approved me. So, finally, it's a weird thing I've noticed that sometimes, like Christian Credit Union, I applied a year ago, they denied me. Now I got approved. Amerant, they denied me. Now I got approved. So, if you get denied for an account, it's not that big a deal. Try again a year later. So if you want to snag the 100, you want to do both the checking and the money market account. They do have a free checking. I forgot to put the slide in that. There's no minimum fee. You want to put obviously enough in there to where you get your debit card. You can do 4 debit card transactions and snag the $50. I messed up on the credit card funding. I put my number in. It was acting a little bit weird to where I couldn't get to where it said how much I put in. So I just clicked the next page and it let me open up the account even without funding. But $500 in credit card funding, if you're using a credit card like the Chase Freedom Unlimited or the Ink Unlimited, that's a bonus $7.50 on top of that in points. You got to do online banking. So this is a weird one compared to other banks where you choose your username and your password before you actually get accepted to the bank, this is like the only one I know that has done this. So confirm your password. I want the debit card. I don't use checks. Hit next. You got a little circle of death. I was looking what's going on. There's a circle of death right there in the box. I've never seen that before either. I guess they're getting a bit creative. Check the box, hit next again. Submitting your application. And then congratulations, you got yourself a new account, blows a summary of the product. I only got the value checking. That's the one with no minimum fees, no minimum amount, no fees at all. And then clicked log in, and I was able to log in. Boom, welcome, John. And yay, life is good. Current balance 0. It was acting a little bit weird, as I said, in being able to put in, I wanted to do 500 because that's just easy credit card spend, get extra points. And then, so as I said, this is a referral-only offer. I'm not 100% sure. I've seen data points both for Florida and Texas and nationwide. So if you want to try it out, see if it'll let you go. If not, they got no problem rejecting people. So to me, if you put a couple minutes in, see if you can get in $100. I mean, really not a bad deal at all. So today's question is, what is a doubting Thomas? So I had a recent conversation with a friend. He says, in regards to Christianity or religion, I consider myself a doubting Thomas. I'm not completely sure. Well, who is doubting Thomas and where did that actually come from? So John 20, chapter 20, verses 24 to 29 says, now Thomas, called Didymus, which is another word for twin, if I remember correctly, one of the 12 was not with the disciples when Jesus came. So Jesus came to his disciples after he resurrected. So the other disciples said, hey, we've seen the Lord. And Thomas said, unless I see the nail marks in his hands and put my finger in the nails where the nails have been and put my hand into his side, I will never believe. Cool thing about that is Jesus doesn't have a problem with you doubting. He really doesn't. 8 days later, his disciples were once again inside with the doors locked, and Thomas was with them. Jesus came and stood him. He walked through a wall, and he said, peace be with you. And then Jesus specifically said to Thomas, put your finger here and look at my hands. Reach out your hand and put it in my side. Stop doubting and believe. How did the story of Thomas end? Thomas replied, my Lord and my God. He stopped doubting, and he believed. Jesus said to him, because you've seen me, you've believed. Blessed are those who have not seen and yet have believed. I mean, we don't have the benefit of seeing Jesus personally. And you can say, look at my nail-scarred hands, look at my side, and all that. But, blessed are those who have not seen him in person and still have yet believed. So doubting Thomas is no longer doubting Thomas. Tradition has it that he went to India to preach the word of Jesus, to spread the gospel. And he was martyred there. He died for the cause. So he was definitely not doubting Thomas. Doubting Thomas was just a part of his life. It wasn't his whole life. So my family, we are fostering a cute little German Shepherd puppy, looking to adopt him completely. Can't do so until he's 6 months and gets fixed. But this German Shepherd protects my house. Who protects your internet? There's a lot of stuff on the internet that is dangerous. Over 4 million pornographic websites out there. I am an affiliate of Covenant Eyes. Covenant Eyes is software that my family uses. It's on the computer that I'm recording this video on. It's on laptop, cell phones. It prevents people from going to websites that nobody has business going to. If you have an issue with this thing, it helps you stop. So it's something I definitely recommend. I have a referral code, bank bonus. If you go to Covenant Eyes, I have a referral link in the description box down below for this as well. If you sign up using my code or my link, then you get your first 30 days free to check it out, see if this is something that would benefit from you. And if you're still with me, definitely do appreciate it. I'm going to ask you to do 3 things if you haven't done so already. Number 1, please like this video, share it with anybody who would be able to benefit, and subscribe with bell notifications. I am making profitable content like this on a consistent basis. And with that, look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.